In 2024, we started a movement, a digital revolution that empowered thousands across Africa. Today, that movement is back again, bigger, bolder, better. Welcome to a new cohort of the Fish for Life free digital empowerment training, the #1 gateway to digital income opportunities. This time around, get ready for 5 powerful days of digital transformation, absolutely free of charge from Monday to Friday. Every day from 2, we will train you live on the digital skills that are creating millionaires globally. AIpreneur, how to use AI to make real income. YouTubepreneur, how to start, grow, and monetize a YouTube channel. Bookpreneur, how to write, publish, and earn from book writing. Blogpreneur, how to build your own blog and make money blogging. Social mediapreneur, how to grow and monetize social media platforms for income. This is your moment, your opportunity, your chance to create the future you deserve. Don't wait. Don't delay. Registration is live right now. Visit fishforlife.ng and secure your slot before it is filled. Fish for Life, empowering people, creating opportunities, transforming.